Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making method that is going to pay you $20 over and over and over again with little to no work, guys. This is a method. This is not a website that you're going to be using like gaining points and then getting gift cards, guys. You can literally start this today and start making money, possibly even tomorrow, guys, or even the same day that you're watching this video. Now, I have actually accidentally clicked on the start button on the daily comment winner, and as you can see right here, this person has won. I want to keep it fair, guys, so I accidentally clicked on this once and this popped up before I even started recording. So you have won some BTC, guy, from me, so I really appreciate you being a part of this YouTube community. And it says how to start using your team and what payment method do you accept, please reply. Well, since I accidentally clicked on start and you actually popped up, well, I do accept any payment method and you can use my team. All you have to do is just purchase the actual YouTube course, and I'm going to show you how you can grow a channel that you don't have to show your face at all. Grow it from 0 to 1,000 subscribers plus, if you actually follow the steps that I show you inside of those videos, inside of my YouTube course. So now I'm going to send you over a free $5 in BTC, and thank you again for being a part of this YouTube community. And if you want to get inserted to be eligible to actually get some free crypto from me, make sure to comment down in this video and leave a comment, and also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. So now let's get started with today's money making method. So to start off this actual method, guys, I want to show you this, what we're going to be doing in order to start making $20 over and over again. Now, as you see that we're going to be talking about voiceovers, don't worry, guys, we're not going to be using your voice. We're going to be using somebody else's voice. So don't worry about any of this. You don't worry about competition. Don't worry about anything like that, guys, because I'm going to show you how you can start to do this from almost zero work, guys. This is an insane way you can start to make $20 or possibly even $25, even $50 over and over and over again. So simple. And you're not just stuck with one language. There are multiple languages that you can use with this one method I'm about to show you in a minute, guys. So I'm just using Fiverr for this, and there's other ones. There's Upwork, there's Gigs for 5, there's multiple different websites that you can use to post up gigs and start getting jobs, start getting work, and start to get those commissions, or not commissions, that money coming in over and over and over again. So my method for this, guys, is I would highly recommend you starting off with $5. Now, I know this method is starting off with 20, saying over and over, but if you start off with $5 to gain some traction, so you can possibly even upsell them and get them starting with $50 or possibly even $30. And it's just, the sky's the limit, guys. All you have to do is just test. Now, you might be waiting for me to show you this one thing that is going to show you and help you out to make this happen, guys, almost passively. Now, the reason why I say almost passively is all you have to do is just upload the work and it's finished. So as you can see right here, let's just go and click on this one right here. It says I will record a professional American male voiceover. We can do this with male, female, anything, guys. So this is going to be the product that I'm going to show you in a minute. So it says number of words for just 100 words. This person is charging $25. Let's see if it changes. Let's see if I put in 600. Look at that, $125 for 600 words. Let's say if they want to do it for a whole video that is around 14,000 words, because I believe a 10-minute video is around 14,000 words. I believe so. So this is around $300 just about of just a voiceover. So this is a really insane method that's going to help you out making some crazy income with Fiverr alone. And again, there are multiple other websites that you can use. Now, instead of just prolonging this, guys, let me show you that one product that's going to make this all work for you. Go. So this is the product right here. I'm going to show you the back end. Now, this is Speechello. Now, you might be thinking, Edward, this is going to be a robot voice. So as you can hear the voice right there, and this is accurate. I'm about to show you the back end because I recently just purchased this product and I'm using this for a YouTube channel that I actually own, and I'm going to show you that in the next video. I'm going to show you an insane way you can actually start to make some income. Now, it's going to take you a little bit of upfront work, but let me just stick with this method for today. So you can make $20 over and over and over again by using this one program. So if you just scroll down, you can see that they're just gonna upsell you on stuff. So paste your text, choose a voice, generate and download, and that is how simple and how easy it is for only $47, guys. So for only 50 bucks, you have access to 23 languages. It says right here, works in English and 23 other languages: Arabic, Mandarin, Danish, Dutch, English, French, German, Icelandic, wow, insane, Korean, Russian, Romanian, and more. So now we can go to the facts. Videos without a good voiceover will not convert, will not get you clicks, leads, traffic, or any sales. So you can actually download this voiceover like if it was Audacity, which is just like a recording of a voice or some sort of volume, or some sort of sound. So you can actually get that and put it on a video that you're probably creating, and all you have to do is put in the script, guys. All you have to do is just type in the script and put that in on the video, and then now you have a voiceover on any video that you have can think of, guys. So this is a really insane way you can start to make money with this one program right now. I'm about to show you the back end, so let's get to it. So here it is right here, guys. Look, 143 from 173 total available voices. Now that is part of the upsell. So if you've seen it just a little bit ago, we only had 23 voices and plus English, so 24. So right now I did the upsell of the Speechello Elite, I believe, and now I have 171 total voices that I can use right now. So there's another insane way that you can actually use this for whenever like a client wants a voiceover from a certain video on YouTube. So if we just head over to YouTube, so let's just grab one of my videos real quick to see if this actually works for this method, guys. And look how insane this is. So we're just gonna copy and paste in a YouTube video, get available captions, and look, it says English auto generated, import captions, and look at this right here, guys. The whole video is actually right there, and now all we have to do is just choose a voice. So you can choose any of these voices, you can hear them before you even start to use this, and there's different tones. So you have a normal tone, you have a friendly tone, and you have a serious tone, guys. And on top of that, you have the engine, either standard or AI voice. So if we just choose standard, you can hear the standard voice, and there's different voices for the Elite, Pro, and just a normal one if you just buy the actual Speechello program itself. So just a normal one instead of buying the upsells, guys. So if you just click on like Andrew Mel, you can actually listen to Andrew.
My name is Andrew.
Right here, guys.
I am a native English speaker.
So you can see how it sounds kind of like human-like.
My name is Jackson.
So look at that, you can hear like the noise just changed. So now if we want to choose, like, let's say Jackson, if you want to choose Jackson as a standard voice, we can preview it based off of my video.
Edward here. Welcome back to my channel.
You hear that, guys? How insane is this? So you can actually use this on Fiverr and actually like copy people's text or YouTube channels or YouTube videos, or if they even have any script that they want to add in, just delete all of this right here, delete it, and you can type in your own actual script that they want. So you can tell them, hey, what do you want as your script? Like, can you send me over your script that you want voice overed? So if they just say like, hi, my name is Edward, and that's probably like some of their voiceover, or I like money. Let's just say I like money, and let's add in that little quote, that little line. I think it's a quotation mark. Excuse me on that. So now let's just choose on Jackson and preview.
Hey, my name is Edward. I like money.
So you can see, you can kind of hear it. So we just like let's say money. Let's say money, money, money. And just keep saying that and see what happens, guys. Let's choose Grace. Let's see what happens with Grace and see if that changes
hey, my
in
name
his.
is Edward. I like money. Money. Money.
You can see at the end of it, her voice kind of like gets louder. So it's like money, 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 and it even tells you that right here, guys. So let's add in my YouTube video again real quick. So let's get available captions, import captchas. So you can see right down here, it says we recommend adding more punctuation marks to make your voiceover sound better. So the better the quotation marks, the better you actually edit this up a tiny bit, the more you can actually make it sound, and the more the person's going to give you a 5-star review on Fiverr and pay you more money for these this voiceover. So this, once you have finished finish doing that, guys, all you have to do is click on generate voiceover. It's going to get sent right down here, and all you have to do is download it, go back to Fiverr, and then upload the actual file and send it over to the person that purchased it from your gig, and you are done, guys. How easy was that? How insane and simple is this way? You can start to make some money right now, $20 plus, over and over and over again. And I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away making some money. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.